Hey Cardamom friends, it's me again, and today we're going to talk about a game-changing feature that can skyrocket your sales. Guess what? Add to cart pop-up upsells and product recommendations. If you've ever wanted to boost your cart size without being too pushy, this is the video you need. Imagine this: a customer adds a product to their cart, and bam, you hit them with a timely and relevant upsell suggestion. It's like a light bulb moment for your customers. Oh, I need that too. Let's break down how to set this up and make sure it works like a charm. Here's the deal. Why do add to cart pop-ups work? Because these pop-ups engage your customers right at the moment they're excited about a purchase, creating the perfect opportunity for upselling and cross-selling. Let's get started with setting up these pop-ups, and it's very easy. I have found this plugin called Upsell WP, which helps you do just that. So let's just go to Upsell WP's dashboard, which looks like this. Now going to the campaigns tab to create a new campaign. Click on this create new campaign button and choose a campaign of your choice. Since this is going to be an add to cart pop-up, let's just go click on this upsell pop-up campaign. Now you'll be able to configure the campaign actually by entering a name for the campaign. I'm just going to call this add to cart pop-up. All right, nice. Next comes the triggers. This is where you exactly choose when to trigger the upsell pop-up. All right, you can either do by clicking on the first option, which is after product added to cart, meaning whenever customers click on the add to cart button, this particular pop-up appears. This can be done in the shop, category, or product pages. And the next option would be to choose click proceed to checkout button. So this is when customers click the proceed to checkout button, the pop-up appears. So I'm just going to go click on this after product added to cart. And here you can see some advanced configurations if you expand this. So now you can choose to see that the pop-up shows to either all products, or specific categories. I'm just going to set this to all products, and then the product suggestion method works based on cart products. So whatever customers add to their cart, the suggestion method will follow the same. This is the overall cart products. Now, in case you want to shift the suggestion method to something like based on what the customers have recently added, then you can choose this option. You can in fact choose click proceed to checkout button as a next trigger as well, or either one of these triggers would work depending on your store's requirements. Then comes product section. Here's where you actually choose the product suggestion method for the campaign. You can either go by related products, cross-sell products, upsell products, specific products, or in fact use the recommendation engine they provide for upsell products. Now when you click use related products here, this will show the related products in WooCommerce as upsell products in the pop-up basically. Next comes the discount. Here you can choose the discount for the upsells that you're trying to show. So I'm just going to go for a 20% discount. That's it. And then comes the template. Here you can preview the template by going through this option. There are two modes that you can view it on. One is desktop and mobile. Nice. Once you do that, you can click on this change template button not to change the look and feel of it. Here's the first template, which looks like this. The pop-up basically looks like this, and then the second one like a carousel format, and the third one is just like this, and the fourth one is also something like that. So let me just click on the fourth template. To further customize the look and feel of the template, you can simply click on this edit content and style. Here you can edit the title, the text, and customize the design according to your brand and your store. Now after you've done that, you can simply save and close this setting. And to add further conditions, you may have to click on this add condition button and choose a condition from the drop down below. Now that is all. Let's just save and close this particular campaign to see what happens next. Now that the campaign is saved, make sure you enable it, put it live before you test it. To test this, I'm going to use the shop page, going to the shop and adding few items to the cart. Since this is an add to cart button, the trigger works when customers add to cart. So this can be done from any pages starting from the shop to the checkout page. So I will just use the product page as of now, choosing to add this product to the cart. Now you'll be able to see the pop-up appear with related products as the suggestion method. Now customers can choose to add any of them, or in fact all of them, to their order. Now when you click on this view cart, you'll be able to see that the original item along with the upsell offers that we have created for our customers are added to the cart. Well, that is all about the add to cart pop-up. Now in case you want to change the trigger to some other thing like clicking on the proceed button, or when applying the coupon, you can do that as well. I will see you in the next video with more e-commerce tips on how you can do upselling strategies on your website.